second wave of COVID-19 has hit the execution of most listed defense companies during the June quarter as a result of lockdown restrictions. Companies have faced challenges in terms of procurement, supply chain issues, non-availability of vendors, and low strength of employees. While the first quarter is strictly not comparable, cumulative revenue of 7 companies tracked by MC Pro were down by 75% on a sequential basis. Good thing is that despite subdued sequential performance, on a year-on-year basis, they were able to achieve a 23% growth in revenue on a cumulative basis. The companies believe that the disruption was for a very short period and most of them are now back on execution spree. And companies like GRSE, Bharat Dynamics and others have maintained their revenue growth guidance despite lower growth in Q1 FY22. They hope to recoup productivity loss in the coming months, particularly as the order book remains strong. On a cumulative basis, companies have an order book of close to 2.33 lakh crores, which is 5 times their annual revenue. Execution is expected to be high in the coming months. Companies like GRSE with an order book of close to 26,200 crores or 18 times its revenue has already laid out production for survey vessels, passenger-cum-cargo ferry and few other large projects like anti-submarine warfare, shallow watercraft corvette. Bharat Electronics, which is sitting on an order book of 54,500 crores or 4 times its annual revenue, indicated that with the execution of large projects such as LRSM and Akash, including other short-cycle projects in the non-defense segment, the growth will come back in the following quarters. Similarly, Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Dynamics have suggested that the growth will resume as the pace of execution is now improving, particularly in the light of strong order book. Apart from revenue, the companies have also maintained margin guidance. During June quarter, the companies reported lower operating margins. The cumulative operating margins of the companies we are tracking dropped by 160 basis points on a year-on-year basis. But with higher scale, the companies expect margins to be better in the coming quarters. Bharat Electronics, for instance, is confident of achieving 15 to 17% growth in revenue and maintaining operating margins of around 22%. During June quarter, the company's operating margins came in at around 7%. Except for few players like Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Astra Micro, most stocks have not participated in the recent market rally. This is also a reason that some of the stocks continue to trade at attractive levels in terms of valuations. On a relative basis, our preferred stocks are GRSE, Cochin Shipyard, Mazgaon Dock, and Bharat Dynamics, which are trading at reasonable valuations and offer good dividend yield.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Moneycontrol, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Moneycontrol Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Moneycontrol Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Moneycontrol Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Moneycontrol Pro.